Hello, in this video we will see the if else in PHP, how to use if else. So first come to IDE and create a new file here. First we will save it as a if else.php and we will write some syntax of PHP. You can see the IDE, atom IDE gives me suggestion is here. So first we will declare a variable s1 and give it some values 10 and variable s2 and give it some values 12. Then we write the code if s1 is greater than less than s2 then we will echo s1 is greater than less than s2. Save the file and come to browser. S1 is less than S2. Similarly, we can use other like if S1 is greater than is not equal to 0 and S2 equal to 0. S1 is 0, S1 is not 0 but S2 is 0. We will make this 0. Then this should not be printed on the screen and this should be printed on screen. So come to browser and refresh the page. S1 is not 0 but S2 is 0. So this was about if else in PHP. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Technophile. Thank you.